The global internet advertising industry was shaken up last week. Microsoft and Yahoo finally saw eye to eye and hammered out a 10-year deal to work together to take on global tech titan Google. While it might take close to a year and a half for the deal to see any on-ground action, Prashant Rajkova spoke with Indian online advertisers to find out the India implications.
In the beginning, it was Google, Yahoo and Microsoft in a three-way battle royal. And one titan emerged triumphant: Google. The vanquished then merged and scripted a $500 million advertising deal to take a chunk out of Google's revenues, which in India is more than $50 million.
Yeah, it sounds interesting to have Microsoft's technology at the back end and Yahoo Salesforce. So they are definitely making a concerted effort to be a viable alternative to Google.
Consolidation in most businesses which have an existing monopoly is good, whichever business it is. So in that sense, personally, I think this was something which was waiting to happen.
On the Western Front, search advertising, the war's pretty one-sided, with Google sitting on more than 80% of the market. And there'll be little change there, with Microsoft on a slippery slope and Yahoo's search advertising tool being a complete failure to launch.
Yahoo's competitive product to Google AdWords called Panama was a complete total failure. So Ad Center is not a complete total failure as yet. It'll take over and it'll do a little job.
Google is still by far the leading search, the SEM kind of site that people do sort of inhabit. So yes, it'll be slow. It'll be a slow one. So I'm not holding my breath in them changing the world.
It's in display advertising that Yahoo India is showing some life. With $16 million annually, Yahoo would want to ramp up to avoid it becoming another one-horse race.
Microsoft Display in India is done through an alliance with NDTV. Actually, all of us in the media don't know what this entire thing is about because they've never been able to sell anything of consequence through that alliance. If they had sense, they'll probably reconsider their alliance and see if they want to go it alone. I think that's a positive, a negative or a change that might happen. On the other side, I think what we're all waiting for in India is Google bought DoubleClick a couple of years ago for $3.5 billion, which is the largest display banner ad serving company in the world. We're actually seeing signs that they will actually integrate the DoubleClick offering with AdWords or even offer DoubleClick on an as easy to use platform.
Most of Yahoo's revenue in any case was coming out of display, right? Will they get more focused? Yes. But do remember, they are also going to continue selling search on their website, on their site, unless that changes. So I really don't see that Yahoo getting, I would say, more aggressive because search now goes.
But search advertising's future battleground is here, social media, a place where Google once again is the dominator.
In India, in fact, Orkut from our measurements is 2.5 times the size of Facebook. And if Google had sense, I think they would look at monetizing Orkut because it has 16 million users and viewers in India. Again, I think Microsoft owns 2% of Facebook and isn't really doing anything on Facebook monetization out here. Facebook controls that. Facebook itself is not doing too much out here. And Yahoo has no play in this matter.
What brands tend to do in the display advertising world is going to be completely different from what they would need to do in the social media space. And that's something that brands need to figure out going forward.
The second future playing field is also one-sided. While Microsoft and Yahoo have shown no interest in video, Google owns video behemoth YouTube.
Brands need to understand that while consumers are going to continue to exist on these platforms, the kind of points from where they access this is also going to be changing in the next few years.
We now have 60 million top of the pyramid, high demographic users with the bandwidth and with the age groups, SECA, young, urban, who are on video. And I think that's an area where Google will be there. There is no Microsoft there, there's no Yahoo there, and the television channels will have to worry a little bit, especially the English television channels.
The traction or stickiness of videos is that much more, including ads, is more than say banners. And Now click-through rate may not become the metric to go on, but you might be looking at dwell times and dwell rates, and that might be the way that you can actually see the effectiveness.
Yahoo and Microsoft have their work cut out for them. While Google's got a massive head start, they've just about gotten off their starting blocks. And they really need to get their video and social media skills together, or it's clear Google will be synonymous with internet advertising here in India and around the world.